Hello. In this video we're going to be discussing Heron's formula. And Heron's formula is useful for finding the area of a triangle when we don't know what the height of the triangle is. So we have all three sides typically given to us and a non-right triangle. So to use Heron's formula, we first take all three sides, we sum them, and divide by 2. That's this piece right here that creates something we're going to call S. Then to find the area, you take the square root of the product of S and then the difference between S and all three sides. Let's put this to work. So in this triangle down at the bottom, just like I described, it's not a right triangle, but we know all three sides of the triangle. We want to find the area. So to find the area, we need to find S first. And if I call A 5, and I'll use 7 as B, and I'll put 8 in for C. And I'm going to add these numbers together, 5 plus 7 plus 8, and cut it in half. 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 8 makes 20, and 20 cut in half makes 10. So now I'm set up to do the area. And it's the big square root of, well, we take S, which is 10, times S, which is 10, minus A, which is 5, times S, which is 10, minus B, which is 7, times S, which is 10, minus C, which is 8. And so just doing our work here, we have the square root of 10 times 5 times 3 times 2. 5 times 3 makes 15. So 15 times 2 makes 30, and 30 times 10 makes 300. So the area of this triangle is the square root of 300. And if I wanted to simplify this, I could do my factor tree, and I'll do that up here where I have some space. And if I split this into 3 and 100, I notice that 100 is already a perfect square. So I can look at this as the square root of 100 times the square root of 3, or rather, 10 root 3. So the area of my triangle is 10 root 3. So that's an application of Heron's formula. We'll see more of it in class tomorrow. For now, we are done.